Hey physics, we're in the last week before Christmas break. This is so awesome. So here's the plan for this week. You have the choice whether you'd like to take the Investigation 5 test on Monday or Tuesday, or Wednesday or Thursday. And whichever way you don't take the test, you are going to be playing, well, then you have the choice of doing the Flippity Review board game, which looks like this, where you are one of these pawns and you're going to be in a group of like up to 8 people. You get asked a question and you get to answer it. You can ask one other person in your group to help you with the answer. And if you get it right, you move ahead. And if you don't, you have to stay there till the next question. Let's see, then what? So the test, everyone's going to be in a Google Meet with their cameras on, whether you're taking the test, whether you're doing the review game, or whether you're in the main classroom with me finishing work that might be missing. And then on Friday, so Friday we have all 6 classes. It's one of those like shortened schedules like we used to have on Mondays, where you have like a little bit to do for each one of your 6 classes and then like a shortened synchronous class for all your 6 classes. So that'll be doing test corrections. I'm going to just be on a grading spree this week, and I'm going to just grade all those tests right as they come in, and you'll have a chance to make those corrections on Friday. Okay? Good things. We'll see you soon.